Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to hide contacts on Snapchat. Follow these simple steps to keep certain contacts out of sight on the app. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Next, go to the chat screen by swiping right from the camera. Here, you will see all of your recent conversations. Now find the contact you want to hide and press and hold their name. A menu will pop up with several options. Tap on Manage Friendship to access further settings. From here, you can choose to either block or remove friend. If you select block, the contact will be completely hidden from you on Snapchat. They will not be able to send you snaps or view your stories. On the other hand, if you choose remove friend, the contact will simply be taken off your friends list. This means they will still be able to send you snaps and view your stories, but you will not see their activity on your end. It's important to note that blocking someone on Snapchat will also remove them from your friends list. This action is more severe, as it completely cuts off communication between you and the contact. By following these steps, you can effectively hide contacts on Snapchat, giving you more control over who you interact with on the app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Snapchat. See you next time.